What's good, y'all? Here at the market, I'm about to give you guys a really quick market tip. Just got done doing it, so I can't show you a play-by-play like I would like to do, but I figure I can let you guys know. Some of you guys already probably do this. We normally have a mix. We call it the market mix. It's our grab and go. I normally keep it in this. Now that crate, as you can see, actually doubles as my small knick-knack stuff that I need for the market. Signs, scissors, stuff like that going to the market. That's not the tip. Now typically I'll have this displayed. Here, I'll show you. So normally the booth looks a little bit more like this. All right, so as you begin to sell your mixes, begin to sell your trays, one, I brought this up in other videos, you want to start taking away table, right? We normally start with right about 3 large tables and 2 small tables. As you can see, we've already gotten rid of 1 large table and 2 of our small tables. Still not the tip. As you go along, if you've sat back and you've noticed a lot of times towards the end of your mix sales, like when you can't keep on replenishing them, it gets kind of hard to sell it. Why? Because it's abundance, and people are attracted to abundance. That stack it high, walk it and fly. This is why everybody around the market is constantly stacking up their stuff. They can look full so that people are attracted to the abundance. Right? This is the one thing that I do. When I'm getting down to the end, boom, we don't have none left in there. But say for instance, we had like 2, 3 in here, and that's all we had left. I take my sign, and on my sign, I just start counting down how many I have left. When I'm down to, let's say, my last 20, I'll begin to write running out of market mix or almost out of market mix. When doing this, I often find that I'll get new customers coming up asking me what market mix is, while my repeat customers just make a beeline straight for the booth. So basically what that seems to do is make people's competitive nature kind of come out. So now it kind of turns that abundance is saying, oh, I need to get that. I'll give it a shot. Big chalkboard or some kind of whiteboard. Count down when you start getting to a point to where your receptacle is no longer full. Start your countdown, you know what I'm saying? You'll be surprised. The reason why you see everything X'd out, it doesn't even really make sense the way I X'd it all out. but it just lets people know that we're sold out. You can also write whatever the name of your mix, sold out. It also kind of brings a little bit more attention to your booth and interest to your booth as well. In the market type tactics, I gotta go shopping, man. I gotta get some food. I'll talk to y'all in a sec. Peace.